got her out, got it on the table upside down. Upside down. Supposedly that's the easiest way. Next step is to take the seat off of the base, and then the swivel. There it is. That's where I got it from, y'all. It was about $200 and $35 shipping. But I've heard that it's well worth it. It comes with the hardware. And this is what we're gonna screw on up here. And then we're gonna put this back on top of that. So, and there's a certain way to put it. You need to make sure, see how that's going. This is facing forward. That's facing forward. This is the side of the door. And this is the side to the driver's side. That way, when you're turning it around, when you're swiveling in your vehicle, you have room and you don't hit the, what is it, the side wall where the door is. Have plenty of room. So we're going to get it going. Got the base off. The seat is over there. Base is off, sitting right here. Facing forward. That's the back. The back of the seat. This is the front. Look at my hands, y'all. But I got this sitting on here, and remember I said this is the front facing the window. The front window. And then what you need to do is turn this a little bit, because if you don't, it's going to be hard to get. See, this would be in the way here. So I turned it out of the way. Now I can get to the holes for bolting these on pretty easily, which I'm about to do. And then after you get it bolted on, put it back in place. And then we're gonna bolt this back on to the seat. So, all right, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna get this bolted on. I get this one over here a little bit. I'll use a set of vice grips to hold the bolt on the bottom, and use this here to tighten it up. Y'all are shaking because you're on the table. Okay, I don't want to tighten it up all the way yet until I get the other ones done. And loosen this up. Okay, yes, that's a little bit loose, that's good. Now we'll do these other two, and then I'll go around and finish tightening them up, and then get them back onto the seat. Okay, I have it sitting back on the base. So now what I'm doing is tightening these up, and Okay, I've got it back on. I've just got to bolt it. It's sitting really good. Sitting down good. Just got to bolt it on. And then I'll give it a whirl. I'll give it a spin. I'll give it a swivel. And next, we'll swivel. We'll swivel it. Oh yeah. You have to hold it. There you go. Oh wait, you gotta go the other way. The other way. Yeah. No, it's the other way. Yeah, I guess this is this way. It's working, isn't it? See, I would have to do it like, okay, raise the seat all the way up. Like the back of it. I think. Yeah, there you go. There. Let's go back in the spot. No, see? And you can go like there, or you can come all the way straight. There. Hi. And you can recline. You can pull it all the way up. Like slide it all the way up the seat. And it's not like you're gonna slide your seat. Yeah, and you can recline it. Footstool. Yep, I'm gonna have one. Sooner or later. And then you straighten it all back up, get it back into position to turn it around. Yeah, it'll click in there. You gotta kind of, to turn it all the way, you gotta hold it. Yeah, there you go.
Ready?
Woohoo! All right.